Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scotch Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
If low maintenance living is the lifestyle you want, this beautifully maintained property's been meticulously cared for and is the one you've been searching for. Boasting a fantastic functional floor plan with lounge dining area, well-appointed kitchen with stainless steel appliances, large bedrooms with built-in robes, master on the ground floor with full ensuite and walk-in robe, separate study nook, split system heating conditioning, single remote garage with internal access, and the list goes on. This stunning property comes fully equipped with an outdoor entertaining area leading off from the lounge room, perfect for fun-filled days. Walking distance to all amenities including schools, shops, restaurants and transport, this low-maintenance townhouse is a must-see. Inspection won't disappoint. At Biggin & Scott Knox, we deliver.